My 52-inch, what I believe to be a universal top mount ceiling fan in polished brass. And I got this on trade from mainly Brandon C. Johnson, but it was delivered to me by Mark Wilson and Charles Smith, other collectors. So thanks again, folks, for this. I really enjoy it. And go over the aspects. There's the canopy, there's the motor, and let's have a close-up of the motor itself. Look at that, really nice. This is a very obscure fan, to say the least. There's the blades, and these blades did not come with it. They were new old stock blades at a local lighting store in the basement, and I'll tell you the story about the blades that came with it. They were rattle canned. I mean, they were spray painted white, and I thought it looked tacky. And the way, notice how the holes are on these blades. I mean, these are skinny blades like you find on builder fans, but look, notice the holes on it. See that? I did not have any that would retrofit, and when I saw it in the basement of the aforementioned lighting store, I was in a state of euphoria. And I think they still have more sets. So, and when I first used them, when I first hung this fan, it wobbled like crazy, and I had to put some blade balancing weights on it, and now it runs a lot better than it did. So there's the reverse switch right there, and there's the switch cap's got a plug for a light, but me, I'd have to take the whole thing off. I guess I did to accommodate those one of those 3-arm kits, but that's beside the point. And without further ado, let's rev it up. We'll start out on low. Medium. And the chain was something I added too, and it could not look more becoming on it. Cranks out a decent amount of air for medium, but wait till you see it on high. Wow, that thing's a powerhouse on high. It does have a slight shake to it, but nothing. I was able to greatly reduce that, like I said before, with the balancing kit. Can you feel that breeze? Power it down. It runs really nice. I mean, that's like the only flaw it has, if anything, like that. But other than that, I think it runs really great. And like those walnut blades make it look very sophisticated looking. And this was kind of a sought after fan for me. And then the one that really is sought after is the one that has a little bit more of a rounded motor housing and uses the more generic, wider set of blades like you'd find in the Palm Air version of this fan. This might be a cousin to it, actually. I don't know if what the OEM is or if it's CEC. I can't really remember. But it basically looks like cross between this and the Palm Air Pacific Breeze that was a major childhood fan of mine. I think one of the collectors finally got one. I think it was Mike Doss. I can't remember. The only thing I have is the canopy that would go to it. Bearings must be really good if it's spinning down this long. Okay, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.